In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora 2 with Faces, a fantastic tool that helps you seamlessly integrate facial images into your AI-generated videos. Whether you're looking to personalize your content or experiment with new creative ideas, Sora 2 offers a straightforward, intuitive process. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to upload an image of your face. Make sure it's clear, front-facing, with good lighting, as this helps Sora 2 to recognize and effectively incorporate the image into your video. Once you have your image ready, you're all set to move on to the next step. Next, open up Sora 2 on your device. You'll be greeted with an option to choose the type of video format you want to create, either portrait or landscape. Your choice depends on where you intend to share this video. For example, portrait is great for social media applications, while landscape works well for presentations. After selecting your preferred video format, it's time to paste your prompt. This prompt should be a brief, descriptive outline of the scene you have in mind. It's like providing a blueprint for your video, helping guide Sora 2 in generating content that matches your vision. Now, you'll want to focus on incorporating your face image. Click on the Add Face option in Sora 2. Here, you can either upload the face image you prepared earlier or provide a direct link to the image if it's stored online. Ensure the image is properly uploaded. It's integral to the next steps. Once your image is uploaded, you'll have the chance to adjust its alignment and style within the scene. Take your time with this stage to ensure your face fits naturally, both in position and artistic style, enhancing the visual continuity of your video. The alignment tools provided are quite easy to use, offering drag and drop features along with adjustable sliders for positioning. The exciting part is just around the corner. Click Generate to let Sora 2 work its magic, processing your inputs and creating an AI video that brings your concept to life. This might take a little time, so be patient and grab a coffee while you wait. Once your video has been generated, it's crucial to preview the final result before downloading. This preview allows you to see if everything looks as anticipated and gives you one last chance to make any adjustments if needed. It's always handy to ensure you're completely satisfied with the output. Finally, with just a couple of clicks, download your video and enjoy the satisfaction of having crafted something unique and tailored. Share it with friends, use it for your projects, or save it for future inspiration. And that's how you use Sora 2 with Faces to create stunning, personalized videos. Experiment with different prompts and styles to discover new creative possibilities, and enjoy the process of bringing your ideas to digital life.